Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2010 Nissan Sentra 2.0 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A funnel, universal oil pan drain plug wrench, band type oil filter wrench, 3/8 ratchet, cup type oil filter wrench, flat tip screwdriver, and my drain pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. Engine oil filter, 4 quarts or 530 conventional engine oil, and a can of BgMOA engine oil treatment. Okay, first we're going to be opening up my oil filler cap. Now I'm going to be putting in my funnel. So now we're going to be going underneath the vehicle. So we're under the vehicle. This oil pan drain plug is located on the rear of the engine. So I'm going to be removing the plug. So I'm going to be putting back my oil pan drain plug. I'm going to be reusing the old gasket. So I'm going to be removing this oil filter. This is a blue oil filter. It's going to be in the front of the engine on the bottom. So with my band type oil filter wrench, I'm going to be loosening it up. Okay, so before I put my filter on, I'm going to be putting on some engine oil on top of my O-ring. That way when you spin it on, it just slides on. Okay, so I'm going to be wiping down the engine block. Make sure there's no O-ring that's stuck onto the block. If there is, remove it. So I'll be spinning on my new oil filter. So with my cup type oil filter wrench, I'm going to be tightening it up. So I'm going to be adding in my engine oil. So I'm going to be adding in a can of MOA. So I'm going to be removing my funnel, putting on my oil filler cap. So now I'm going to lower the vehicle. So I'm going to start up the vehicle. Let it run for a little while. Okay, that should be good enough. You can shut it off. So I'm going to be checking the oil level. So the dipstick is in the front of the engine. So I'm going to be pulling it out, wiping it down, putting it back in, pulling it out, checking the level. Perfect, right up to the full. So that's how you change an engine oil and an oil filter. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.